We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Okay, good morning everyone. Myself Gaurang K. Chapaneri, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, RNG Patel Institute of Technology, Bardoli. Okay, today we discuss the introduction of quality. Okay, this is the outline of the presentation. First, we discuss the century of the quality. In century of the quality, we discuss early 1950s, late 1950s, and then 70 to 2000 and so. Say first early 50s, late 50s, and 1970 2000. Second, what is quality? Okay, the quality is basically defined in different way. Each person define the quality. Similarly, here we discuss different types of different definition of quality. As per the first, we discuss different definition of quality gurus. They define by different way. Second, different organizations, same thing, organization define different way, like IEEE, ISO 9000, etc. Then next, we discuss product dimension. Same thing, that depends on the product. Which type of product is manufacturing, it depends on they define the different way in a product-based dimension. And the last, area of society. Each person, the area is different. They define different way in equality. So first, we discuss the century of the quality. Okay, all the century of the quality is basically it depends on the time. See, this is the first early 50s, 90 to 40, 90 to 40. Second 1960, second late 50s up to 1970, and last 2000 and so. Here the early 50s, late 50s, and 1970 up next. Okay, the first is the early 1950s. What is indicate? Is early 1950s means basically American would took the message of quality to Japan. And the second, late 50s, the Japanese would develop the new concept in response awareness. Response the Americans, sorry. And the next 1970 to 2000 is the Western gurus who following the Japanese industry success. Okay, so this is the century of the quality is defined as a 3-way, early 50, late 50, 1960, 1970 to 2000. Okay, similarly, every 10 years decade, they define a different quality, like in 19s, manpower predominance, in 1910, supervision, inspection, develop statistical control, same on last others excellence model. We will all discuss in next slide in one by one. This is basically a century of quality, or we can say the history of the quality. Okay, the first in the century of quality is basically come from China, India, Greece, and the Roman Empire. The main reason is skill craftsmanship. In 18th century, the consistent product that are mass produced and they needed to interchangeables and quality department. It's all are from the quality department. It's basically separate from quality department. In next, World War II means 1940 to 1950. The acceptance of SQC. SQC means statistical quality control in concept in manufacturing industries. The American Society for Quality Control formed by 1946. In 1940 is basically in 1940 we already seen the previous slide. They mentioned the army standards. Okay. The next, quality in Japan. In after 1950s or late 50s, the Dr. Deming is invited to Japan to give the lecture. In that, The Taguchi developed the Taguchi method, means they developed the DOE, design of experiment. And also they developed the Deming Prize 1951, the quality control circle concept introduced by Koro Ishikawa in 1960. Okay, similarly, the science of modern quality metrology started. R.A. Fisher perfected scientific shortcut for the seeding through mountains. Similarly, statistical methods at Bell Laboratories, they define W.S. Ewers, is also a quality guru. They apply the Fisher methods into the quality control discipline for factories. In the next 1980s, okay, the quality awareness in the US manufacturing industry during the 1980s, the TQM is developed, total quality management. In 1980s, after also they developed the Malcolm Bellbridge National Quality Awards in 1987. In the next 9000, ISO 9000, International Standard Organization is developed. Okay, next, quality is service industry, government, healthcare, education. Means quality is each and everywhere. Any sector, if we discuss any sector, each and everywhere quality is defined. The current and future challenges like key progress in quality management lie. Okay, now the next part is what is quality. Okay, now think about yourself. Just I give you 10-20 seconds, just define your way. And next, in the last, just imagine what is quality. Okay. Okay, first thing, what is quality? First of all, we understand the meaning of quality. Basically, quality is Latin word. Okay, quality is a Latin word. And initially, the quality is said that qualis. Qualis means what kind. And that's further in Latin, they define qualis to qualitas. Qualitas. Okay. Then next, Old French, they define qualite. The Old French, they define the qualite. And afterwards, the English, in Middle English, the quality is to qualite to quality. Then the quality is defined. Okay, now next. First, we define the different quality gurus. As early in the years starting phase, we discussed the quality is defined by different quality gurus. Okay, the first definition, the Joseph Juran says, the fitness for purpose for use. Okay, the single sentence, fitness for purpose for use. But the statement is not that much easy, as it requires asking many questions. Like first, we can say that what is the real purpose? What is the real purpose? A second way we can say, are customer internal or external users? And again, we can say third question maybe, who are the possible customer? Who are the possible customer? Say this is the meaning, the fitness for purpose or use. In the second definition, Phillips Crosby. In the Phillips Crosby, they define as a conformity to certain specification. Okay. Then next, David Garvin. Again, if quality is to be managed, it must first be understood. Means quality is to be first we have to manage it, then we have to understand the quality. And the next, Edward Deming. They define a predictable degrees of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to the market. See, they define very well predictable degree of uniformity. Means how can we say that? Means why the salesman cannot sell the same amount every month. Okay, why the salesman cannot sell the same amount every month. See, the everyday customers may be different approaches come in the shop. Okay, and the next RJ Murthy boys, they define synonyms with customers need and expectation. The simple, the customer needs and his expectation. If customer expectation fulfill, then they will define the quality. In the next, Mike Robinson, they define meeting the requirement of the customer now in the future. Similarly, A.W. Feigenbaum, the total composite product and service characteristics of marketing, engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance through which the product and service in use will meet the expectation by the customer. Okay. Second, we discuss defined by different organization. Okay. Let's see. The first IEEE, and the IEEE define the degree to which system, component, or process meet. They define first specify requirement, and second customer user needs or expectation. In each and every customer, they define something expectation. They define some their expectation. Okay, I want these types of product. So they define. And second, as per ISO International Standard Organization, they call totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to satisfy state. And again, after ISO 9000-2000 implement degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirement. Okay, this is the most important. All the customers define all the characteristics fulfill requirement. They already define. Okay. Now next we discuss define by the product dimension. In the product dimension, the first we discuss transcend definition. The simple say excellence. The excellence means what? Say transcend definition. The simple define the quality is something that intuitively understood but nearly impossible to communicate such a beauty of love. This is excellence, transcend definition. Second, the product-based definition. In a product-based definition, they define quantities of product attributes. Means quality is quality may be found in the component and attributes of the product. Okay, the quality is found in the component and attributes of the product. Is a quality-based definition. And next, user-based definition is a fitness for intense use or maybe meeting or exceeding user expectation. Means if the customer is satisfied, the product has good quality. Simple. User-based definition, it depends on the customer overview. If the customer is satisfied, then quality is good. Okay. Next, value-based definition, quality versus price. Okay. Simple. If the product is perceived as a providing good value for the price, it has a good quality. And the next, manufacturing-based definition is the most important. Conformance to the specification. Okay. Say if the product conform to design specification, it has a good quality. Simple. If the product conform to design specification, it has a good quality. Okay. And the last, defined by different area of society. See, there are different area and they define different way. It depends on the society, how they define the quality. Say one by one discuss airlines. The area, first area is airline. So what they decide, on time, comfortable and low cost service. This is the main motto. Second, healthcare. In healthcare person, they define the correct diagnosis, minimum waiting time, lower cost and high security. Next, food services. In the food services, they define first fast delivery, similarly good product, good quality, with good quantity and good environment. Okay, this is the food service defined. Second, postal services. In the postal services also is the most important, the fast delivery, correct delivery, cost containment. Okay, you see, I give you one example in postal service. When we buy from Amazon, Flipkart or etc. online, they already, when we buy and they immediately we receive the message, you get the product on 15 May. Okay, but always we get the product before the delivery date. Means this is the fast delivery, okay, and correct delivery. As per the address, the perfect delivery. Second, academia, okay, is also important. The first is a proper preparation for future. On-time knowledge delivery. Next, consumer product. In consumer product is also important. If the product is as per the dimension, as per the material, means properly made, as per the defined the process, defect free means zero defect, and the last, cost effective. Each and every person wants the price should be low, cost effective. Next, insurance. Always insurance pay off time and reasonable cost. Okay, same thing we can say in insurance. If you go in Google, if you just find out insurance, we get then plenty of insurance company and we can find reasonable cost with good facility. Second, military, rapid development, decreased wages and no graft. And next, automotive. Okay, in nowadays automotive is a huge sectors. They always getting the without defect, means defect free. And the last, communication. Okay, the communication is also most important, is in a quality base. When two persons talk to each other, this depends on the sound. If the sound is clear, faster, okay, and second is cheaper service, also is a cheaper service, communication. Okay, thank you. For any query and suggestion, please contact me.